Welcome students. In last video we have discussed about the role of the political parties in democracy and different functions of the political parties, and especially the first point was discussed, and that was the political parties contest elections and try to make the government. So this is the main function of the political parties, that these parties are contesting elections during the elections, and these are the, you can say, competitors from each other or between each other in these elections. So political parties play the game of the electoral politics, and today we will come into the next point, and that is the second point, that political parties make the policies and programs. As you know that after making the government, when a political party and its leaders are in majority in the parliament or in the assemblies, then they have the opportunity or majority to make the new laws and to impose the new policies and programs. Recently you have seen, before these 2 or 3 years of this running government, NDA government, that is led by the Bharatiya Janata Party. This party has launched and make so many policies. Just they have recently started the program of, you have seen Jan Dhan Yojana. Next is Suraksha Bima Yojana, and Skill India program, Digital India program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So these are the policies and programs which are started or which has launched by these political parties when they are in the government. Means after taking the political power as the majority party or the leading party, when their leaders or representatives are joining the post of or the authority of the ministries, when any political party is capable to make the prime minister at the center, then this party use its majority rights, majority decisions, and launch the different programs, and the help or the budget for these programs will be given by the government or by the account of the government. So after making these programs and schemes or policies, these parties try to fulfill the desire and needs of the public opinion. They try to fulfill the demand of the people, so that they get the support and the votes of the people in the next election. And sometimes so many parties which are not participating in the government or who have lost the elections, but they are also imposing or running some policies and programs from the party side or the individuals, and these are also promoting or supporting the people's opinion, and after fulfilling the needs and the demand of the people, they also try to get the support and votes of these people and voters. So this was the second point. Now we are coming in the next point. The third point is that parties also make the laws. As you know that parliament is the lawmaking body in the country, and in any state assemblies are the lawmaking bodies. when these political parties are participating in the government as the majority or leading party or ruling party, or few parties which are in the opposition or playing the role of the opposition parties, both in the both conditions, either these are in the ruling level, or these are in the opposition. In both conditions, these parties are participating in the lawmaking discussion, debate, and lawmaking procedure. Different issues are generating in the parliament, and after discussion and debate, the ruling party try to make some new rules or laws, and sometimes the party or the ruling leaders try to some amendment in the constitution. They want to change some constitutional laws or articles. Then they have to get the majority support in the parliament, and after getting the majority support in the favor of passing any new law or the amendment bill, this bill or this law goes to the president, and after the signature of, or the after the authority given by the president, the next new or the ultimate changement which has been done in the constitution, this will be enforced. So laws are making by these political parties, and in both situations, either the party is in the ruling side or in the opposition side, in both conditions they are playing the major role for making the laws. So this was the next point. There are so many other functions and works of the political parties, and we will discuss in the next video and next part, next episode, the remains of these functions of the political parties. So thank you. Try to continue write the notes, and try to learn these points and all these questions which you have written in the notebook, and continue your study. Thank you.